Have you ever watched a video in a language you don't understand and thought, I wish I could share this with everyone? Well, today I'm going to show you how to translate videos in any language using RecCloud. But first, tell me in the comments, which language do you watch videos in the most? You'll find three modes: dubbing plus subtitles, subtitles only, and voice clone. Here's how each one levels up your content. All right, let's start with the dubbing plus subtitles mode. This one's a game changer. It automatically adds translated captions and an AI voiceover to your video. Step 1. Upload your clip. Drag and drop or hit Browse to grab it from your files. Step 2. Choose your target language under Translate to. Step 3. Pick your vibe. Go to Voice Settings and select the AI voice that fits your content best. Step 4. Got subtitles already? Just click Remove Original Subtitles so it doesn't double up. Step 5. And if your video has more than one speaker, turn on Identify Speaker so the AI gives each person their own voice. Then hit Translate Now, and boom, RecCloud does the rest. When the translation's done, you can review and fine-tune the results. Click the pen icon to edit text or timing. Then hit Subtitle Settings to choose your preferred font, size, color, and preset styles. Besides that, you can merge subtitles or even add new ones if needed. And if you're not satisfied with the translation of a specific part, click the Retranslation button to fine-tune the translation. When everything looks perfect, hit Export, then select Translated Video, and you'll get your translated video ready to share or wherever you post.
是的，我已经存储在我的虚拟记忆库里了，别担心，我不会忘的。你现在没
If you just want translated captions, no voiceover, switch to subtitles only mode. Here the process is the same. Upload your video, pick your language, and translate. You can then download the subtitles as an SRT file or export them directly embedded in your video. Now, here's the exciting part, the voice clone feature. This lets the AI recreate your voice in another language, keeping your tone and emotion. Just upload your video, select Voice Clone, choose your target language, and hit Translate. In minutes, you'll hear your own voice speaking fluently in a new language. Pretty amazing, right?
我稍后会再问你这个问题，但你现在能帮我记住吗？我把车停在了 A 厅47号位。
RecCloud makes video translation easy, fast, and creator-friendly. Try it now at recloud.com/AI Translate and start reaching global audiences today.